Welcome back to a new video on my channel. Today I'm not going to analyze a new stock, but start a new format where I build up a new dividend portfolio from $0. Let's start with discuss the settings. I'm going to invest $500 to $1,000 each month, depending on how much money I have available and what's convenient regarding the stock price. I will only buy stocks once a month, and likewise the portfolio update also comes once a month. In my portfolio, I will not take the transaction cost into account. And to make sure that my portfolio is diversified, I am not allowed to rebuy a stock before I have 24 positions. Regarding the taxes on the dividends, it is also worth to mention that I live in Denmark, and in Denmark you pay 27% on the first 57,200 crowns, or around 8,494 US dollars. On everything over 57,200 crowns, you pay 42%. Since most of the stocks are going to come from the US, it is also noteworthy that the US have 15% of withholding tax. Luckily, the US and Denmark have a double tax agreement, or short DTA, which means that the withholding taxes I pay in the US, I don't have to pay in Denmark. As benchmarks, I'm going to use 3 different ETFs: the MSCI World, the S&P 500, and the MSCI World Quality Dividends. Fictively, I'm investing the same amount I'm investing in the stocks in each of the ETFs. Since this is a dividend strategy, each ETF of course has a distribution. Enough about the settings. Let's take a look at the watch list. So far I have analyzed 3M, BlackRock, Domino's, Lowe's, PepsiCo and Unilever. Each of the stocks also have a country and an industry. To each stock there's also a current stock price and a current dividend rate. By dividing the dividend by the current price, I'll get the dividend yield. I'm going to compare the dividend yield with the historical yield by getting the ratio between the two values. If the sell value is below 100%, the stock price is currently under its fair value and I'll mark the sell green. If the sell value is between 100% and 110%, the stock price is around its fair value and I'll mark the sell yellow. If the sell value is over 110%, the stock price is over the fair value and I'll mark the sell red. By dividing the dividend rate with the historical dividend yield, I'll get the fair price of the stock. As you know, I'll add a personal defined margin of safety to this fair price. If you want to know how I determine the margin of safety for each stock, you can see each stock analysis on my channel. I have linked my stock analysis playlist in the info card. With the margin of safety, I can calculate my desired dividend yield and my buy price. Once again, I can calculate the ratio between the current price and my buy price. The color system I explained earlier still counts. 3M has the lowest buy price ratio and therefore I consider this stock as the most attractive for a buy right now. The 1st April 2022, I bought 4 3M stocks for $147 per stock. This makes an invested amount of $590. The next month a new portfolio update video will come and I'll again show you guys which stock I have bought. If you did like the video, please consider to leave a like and hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel.